Hi, welcome everyone. This is Claudette, Stamping with Miss Puff. Thanks for joining me at my creative corner. And today we'll be making a sip card using the Rise and Shine stamp set by Stampin' Up. Okay, I'll give everyone a few minutes to get on there. I'm going to make sure I'm centered here in this camera. Just getting everything all set up here in my tablet here on the side. How are you guys doing? Being safe out there? Staying at home? Staying away from the crowds? And today we'll be making a sip card using the Rise and Shine stamp set by Stampin' Up. Okay, sorry, I'm just turning my volume down here on my tablet. Okay. Alrighty. So let me know if you're out there and watching, and how are things going. Again, I'm in Orlando, Florida. Let me know where you're watching from, if you're watching a live video or a replay. So again, we're going to do a SIP card, and SIP stands for Stamp, Ink, and Paper. So it's pretty much a quick card using just the stamp, ink, and paper. And today I'll be using 3 different color inks, and I would be using 2 different color cardstock. That's the white cardstock and Sahara Sans cardstock. And I'm using my Stamparatus. So let's see here. We have, let's start out here with the cup. Just clean that stamp off. The base of our card, the Sahara Sand, is measuring 8 by 4 inches, and then I scored that down at down the middle at 4 inches. So this is at 8 by 4 inches, and then by 4.5 inches, and then I score it down the middle at 4 inches. And then this, our layering piece here, is measuring 4 by 3 7/8. So I'm going to come down here and let's see where I'm going to put my cup. Then when you're using your Stamparatus, it's good to put something behind that plate there. And I just want everything to fit in here, so I'm just going to line up my wording. I'm going to close that plate and pick the cup up. So I'm going to do the cup in Bermuda Bay. And one great thing about the Stamparatus, instead of your clear blocks, is if you miss a spot, you could re-stamp it, and it gets exactly in the same spot once your paper doesn't move. And that's why you have these magnets to hold it in place. See, just like I have a spot right there, so I'm going to re-ink that. that one more time. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is get this little burst, just like a sunburst looking stamp. Put that around the hole in the cup. Pick that up. And I will be using Daffodil Delight on that color. And then in the middle of that burst, I'm going to be using a greeting. It says Rise and Shine. So I'm just going to put it there in the middle. Close my plate down, pick that up, and I'm going to go back in with the same Daffodil Delight. Just want that a little darker, so I'm going to re-ink. Then I'm going to come down with my sentiment. Put that right down there. And I'm going to be using soft suede. And it's nice with the little ink spots because they're a little smaller inks that you don't get a mess all over your plate. And it typically does not transfer over. Alright. Then I'm going to put the steam down for the coffee or tea. And we're also going to use the suede on this, soft suede. All right, rise and shine, make today amazing. So now we're going to take that layering piece and glue it onto our cardstock. Let's just get some multi-purpose glue. And I'm going to just get make sure that my glue is flowing right here. It's clogged. So we're gonna ink, not ink, we're gonna put the glue to the back of this. Seems like I'm always having trouble with my glue here lately. Getting clogged. Let me just get a new bottle here. New bottle of glue. Let's see if this one will work. Yeah, there we go. Try not to get too much to your edges because it seeps out. Okay, I'm just gonna open that up. Center it. Try to get even amount on each side. There you have it, guys. That's the zip card, and that's just a basic simple card using your stamp, ink, and paper. And you could always wrap that up with your ribbons, your rhinestones. And so this is especially for beginners. This is a nice easy card. I think it's pretty cute. If you like what you see here today, go ahead and check out my website, MsPuffCreativeCorner.com. I have a link to my online store if you're interested in getting any products here that you saw today. Thank you for joining. Please do like, share, and I also have a YouTube channel if you want to go ahead and check that out. That's MsPuff Creative Corner. Hop on over there and subscribe. You guys be safe and have a good evening. Thanks for tuning in.